Motorhead Garage, presented by Top Coat, coming to you from Borla Commerce Park.
Well, you got to see Kathy and Tommy from an old episode of Performance TV, and every once in a while I get a turn as well. Here's me filling in on Performance TV earlier in the year. Hope you enjoy this one. Now, we see a lot of UTVs and UTV accessories on the show, and I guarantee you this is some stuff you're really going to like. Now, Alan Wood, simply put, Woody's Lights here. What kind of accessories do you offer for UTVs like this one?
Well, simply we do lighting. So basically everybody that rides these things, they want theirs to look a little bit different. So we provide a way for that to happen with lights. So we're all about the safety. You can take them out in the dunes and light yourself up, make it to where you're visible.
Now, what kind of lights do you offer?
So we do whips, LED whips, and we also do rock lights, and we do other custom things as well. Our biggest sellers are definitely the whips and rock lights.
Let's talk about some of the custom stuff that you guys do. What comes through your shop?
So just about anything. We've actually lit up 18-wheelers, showrooms. We've done quite a few different things, so just anything you can think of.
Wherever the imagination will go.
Right.
So why do you focus so much on UTVs?
Well, that's what we enjoy. So we actually started riding UTVs before we started any of this, and it was just another way to make our ride different, and next thing you know, we're doing it to other people's as well.
Well, how did you come up with some of the ideas you had?
Just being out there and riding. It's one of those things where you got to be out there and experience it, and you find a way to make your stuff unique.
Well, let's talk about some of the lights you have. Now, tell me what these are right here.
So these are our rock lights. These are actually solid color pods. And they come with the rubber puck. That's the way you can mount them to your frame, just nice and easy. These will actually light up the underside of your ride. So you pick a color, you put it up under there, and these are durable. You could actually beat them with a hammer, hit them with a rock, and they're going to last for you.
Can you change the color?
This model, actually, you can't, but we do have a RGBW, so it's red, green, blue, white, and of course it mixes to make all the other colors as well.
Great. Now, I like the puck. It mounts on there. It becomes sort of a shock mount, if you will, right?
Yeah, shock mount, and that's just the benefit of it. The biggest thing is you're not trying to put something that's flat on a round piece of your frame.
Makes a lot of sense. And what if I do scrape it up on the rocks? What happens?
Well, I mean, you could scrape it up all you want, and it's still going to keep working. If somehow you manage to break one, you just send it back to us. We'll replace it for you.
That's great. Now, if I'm looking for something for my UTV, for my truck, whatever application, what do I need to do when I come to you guys?
Well, it's really easy. You just go to our website, woodyslights.com. We have just about everything there. If you have an idea that's not on our website, then just give us a call.
And are they talking to you?
Yeah, they'll talk to me. We have very small staff, so chances are they're talking to me if they call us. So.
Cool. Now, the lights are clearly durable, but everything you guys do, you're not messing around. I mean, even down to the cables. Talk about that.
So we didn't want to send out some little rink-a-dink cable that's going to, get a little warm and melt, because you're putting it on a warm machine.
And this one's coming right off your power source.
Yeah, so this is our 10-foot power cord that's actually included on every set of whips that goes out. Your 10-foot cord hooks up to your splitter here, and these actually go out to the whips themselves. And
speaking of the whips, that is where my man Brock comes in. Now, Brock, these are pretty cool. I want to see how hard are they to actually install, though?
Yeah, definitely. Basically, you just slide it into the quick release mount here and line the plug up. And
now, did you have to drill holes here?
Nope, there's holes already there for flag mounts typically, and these holes here on the back side.
Now, who's using these whips? Clearly for looks, but...
It's also for safety, so people who are out in sand dunes, trails, wooded trails, so that if there's a group of people, these help spot you out, so no one runs into you, so it's definitely a safety factor as well.
So it's half for looks and half for safety.
Definitely.
I like it. Is this the 3-footer?
Yes, so this is a 3-footer.
What other lengths do you guys have?
We do 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot, 4 foot, 5 foot, 6 foot, 7 foot, and 8 foot.
Holy cow.
Yeah,
so when you're riding in dunes and stuff, that'll be perfect.
Yes, definitely.
So when you're getting into longer whips especially, now you're going to have moments where hey, I think I can clear that tree, and you ride under it,
right,
and things go bad. What happens if I have an oops moment like that?
So if you have an oops moment, we have a lifetime warranty on the product. So we will cover if the whip gets broken down here, or if our LED, you notice an LED that's out because it got smacked by a tree or something like that, it's covered under our warranty.
Now, how likely is it one of these is actually going to break like right in the middle?
There's the chances of that is very slim, unless someone is trying to break it on purpose.
I think it's your friend showing off by the campfire at night.
Exactly.
And that's not covered.
That's not covered.
But normal stuff is covered.
Normal stuff is covered. So water damage, anything like that.
That's fantastic. Well, I think they're really cool looking. Let's see how they look when you light them up.
Yeah.
That will get you seen, and you can select a bunch of different colors, right?
Yep, 358 different combos.
358 different colors. It's all up to your imagination. Check them out at woodieslights.com. Well, we've still got plenty more to do here on Motorhead Garage, presented by Top Coat, so do not go anywhere. We'll be right back.
And now for a little Motorhead Garage trivia. Alan Breed made a major automotive breakthrough in 1968. His sensor and safety system was the world's first electromechanical airbag system. The Oldsmobile Toronado was the first car made available to the public with an optional passenger airbag. In what year was it first offered? It was 1973.